To GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Ford Puma ST line Vignale. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 153 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 51 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 15 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 32,000 miles and comes with full service history from Ford. This stunning colour is the grey matter and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, being the Vignale, you get quite a few extra features, which include the leather seats there with that nice pattern. The front seats are also heated, and you also have a heated steering wheel as well. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features like I mentioned. The car also has cruise control, automatic headlights and wipers, climate control just below the multimedia screen, and on the driver's door card there you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. The Puma has a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back, more I'd say than the average hatchback, and the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's also good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats too. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there, nice and deep and square with the split folding rear seats, and underneath the boot floor, which is also height adjustable, so it's at its lowest point at the moment, you've got even more storage space. That's really practical. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.